prosecution's affirmation that it is fully prepared to commence the trial at the earliest session of this court. It is plain that no combination of conditions can adequately safeguard both the community safety and the integrity of the impending proceedings. And the integrity of the impending proceedings. And in these circumstances, the court concludes that that is the part answer. The court concludes that bail must be refused to prevent further risk to victims and ensure the timely administration of justice. And it goes on, still we are still reading that the applications such that they take note that the applications HCT 06 CR CM 0015/2025.
Omari file number 15 y'omwaka 2024. 0016/2020.
Then
0017.
Then 0021.
Ne 0021.
For bail by the applicants are hereby dismissed. By this ruling, these are now directive. By this ruling, the land trial register of this court is directed to prioritize the cause listing for trial of these cases in the earliest available criminal session of this court.
Asobole okubeera nga emisango gyammwe atuwuliriza ku station eddako katikati bwangu ddala.
So it is dated, delivered and signed.
N'ateekako omukono gwe omulamuzi eyawuliriza saba kwammwe ennaku z'omwezi n'ateekako 22 ogw'omunaana omwaka guno. Oweekitiibwa Nanziri Fatuma Bwanika, Judge High Court. Ye afuze bukozi kya kusoma ki omuwandiisi omulamuzi kye yawandiika.
I have done, but I also wish you well. I think you have done very fair. You are taking the entire road.
We prefer the company we should.
Okay, okusaba kukwemererwa kwabwe kugobererwa
eno nsi yaffe.